Hey guys, it's Melissa. I'm going to record a mail haul today. I got a box in the mail while I was sick, and I'm feeling way better. I'm going to open the box, but I'm doing it as a pre-record just in case my voice goes out, then you guys don't have to listen to me cough. So, with all that said, let's go over here and grab this box. And this box weighs as much as a small child. I thought there was one item coming in it. I got contacted by a viewer and she said, I have a quilt kit that I had given to my daughter that she's not going to do. Would you like it? I said, of course I would. So I got the box and it like weighed, like I said, as much as a small child. And I decided that I was going to open it. And then as soon as I opened it, I went, nope, got to do this on camera. So the first thing that's in here is a quilt as you go pattern for an Alexandra tote bag. I'm intrigued by that. That's the only thing I've really looked at out of this box. So we're going to go through this together. There is a couple of pieces of seasonal fabric in here that is orange and black. And this is candy canes. So I bet you can guess what season this is for. And there is supposed to be a Halloween quilt kit in here. So I imagine this goes with it. This is little ghosts and pumpkins. And then coffee fabric, always right up my alley. I like coffee fabric. I like coffee. More Halloweeny stuff. This is witches and pumpkins and trees and haunted houses. Wow. There is a ton of stuff in here. This is a bundle of Christmas fabric. There is a green, trying to get it where you guys can see it, black and white, red and white. I think that's Christmas. Red and green, and then the reason I think it's Christmas is because it has the little Christmas trees in it. Morning Coffee by Lori Lynn Sims for Wilmington Crystals. That's a half a jelly roll. It doesn't say jelly roll on it, but that's what I call them. So I'll put that with the coffee fabric. Oh, cool. Skeletons, black and white skeletons. That's cute. Ooh. This viewer knows my taste. I love this. I think it tells me what it is. High Fashion Fabric Ink. And that is big flowers in the pastel colors I like. Kind of Lori Holt-ish. Oh my goodness. This box is going to fall. Halloween fabric, that is spider webs. Ooh, 2 charm packs of Clothworks fabric, and that's all Halloween. When I open this up, I will do a video of all of the fabrics. Excuse me. Yes, the voice is still a little out there. Oh, this is cute. Halloween puppies. That looks like Scooby-Doo right there. And it says super. And more ghost puppies for Halloween. Very, very cool. Ah, get this out of here without destroying this box. Boo Crew Quilt Along Kit. That's what this is. So there is the quilt kit. It looks like everything's in it. Doesn't even look like it's been opened. Wow. Thank you. All the fabrics are in there too. Wow. Gonna have fun with that. That all goes over here with the Halloween stuff. I have to sit down and figure this all out so I can do that quilt. Oh, wow. There's still more in this box, guys. Oh, my. Oh, is that cute or what? That is adorable. Picker's Patch Quilt Pattern by Beverly McCullough of Flamingo Toes. If I could talk today. I like that. Kind of reminds me of the Quilt Seeds by Lori Holt. And this is Cotton and Joy patterns, squared up. And I did another pattern from Cotton and Joy, my lemon quilt. So I'm sure that'll be great because I really like the first one. And this says it's pre-cut friendly. I can see that pattern in basically anything. Guys, there is still more in this box. This looks like, oh, that is pretty. That is, hope you can see the colors. That goes from a light pink to a purple. And that is Java Boutique 20 Fat Quarters by Maywood Studio. Wow. That would be pretty in that squared up quilt. I love these fabrics. This is Poppy Cotton, the Sunshine Bundle, 21 Fat Quarters. Looking to see if there's, looks kind of like a Christmassy theme, at least based on that very first fabric there, which is mittens and socks and sweaters. So maybe not Christmas, maybe winter. I will open that up and go through it whenever I get ready to play with it. Whoa. Free Spirit, that's another fat quarter bundle. And that, gotta move this box. That is, let's see if I can, light green, purple, pink. I mean, look at all the colors in there. That would be really pretty in that squared up pattern too. Holy cow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, wow. This is a kaffe facet bundle of the Free Spirit fabric. Thank you very much. That's expensive fabric, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We will have some fun with that. These are the ones that you can just take and they usually have big bold prints on them. I'll see whenever I get there. But these are the ones that come out great if you just do like a turning 20 quilt kit or something like that. They look really cool. So there is that calf facet bundle. I think I moved the camera too far down. With all those pretty colors in it. Look at that, isn't it pretty? That is really pretty. I think I remember seeing that one when So Yeah was selling some of these. That's pretty. Isn't that so pretty? So there's that. And there is again, the Wilmington Crystals coffee fabric. And there's coffee fabric down here that'll go with that. That may end up being a table runner, I don't know. The poppy cotton, which is still wrapped in plastic that you can see. There's light blues, pinks, some white background, some tan, and over here is a gray. All of this will go into something that is super pretty. The Java Batiks by Maywood Studio. And again, there's the color. My camera is not doing a good job on this color variation. And then squared up, the Picker's Patch. Like I said, that looks a lot like the quilt seed pattern from Lori Holt. And then let's move some of this. There's still a couple of pieces to the Boo Crew pattern of printed stuff. So I don't want to drag that out. And that's the quilt along kit. Like I said, looks like the whole thing. And that purple is really lavender in real life. This is so pretty. I can see this as a purse or a tote bag, because that's not fabric you want to cut up and hide in a quilt, right? And then, of course, the extra Halloween fabrics that go along with that Boo Crew quilt kit, or will probably go along with it. And I'm just showing them so you guys can see. And then, of course, the fun little candy corns and the polka dots. And then these are the two charm packs. Lots of cats and stuff in there. And that's from Clothworks. And then the Alexandra tote bag. That may be where that flower fabric gets used at least for one side of it. Or I have enough Halloween fabric there to make a Halloween tote bag if I wanted to. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens with it. All right, guys, like I said, I just wanted to do a quick box opening. I did that so you guys could see it and get my feet wet for coming back onto YouTube after being sick. Voice is still not 100%, but it's better than it was. And I may still sound like a hillbilly frog, but I guess I survived it, you know? And that's the big thing when it comes right down to it. We made it through. So stay tuned. You will see me very soon. I will be live tomorrow night, and I should have some videos coming out this week for you. We'll see how the live goes tomorrow night. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you spending your time with me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.